Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss these all topics which are flashing on your screen. First, inserting cells, rows and columns. Next, how to change the column width and row height. And the last one, that is formatting data in a worksheet. So one by one, I'm going to explain how you can. First topic will be how to insert cells, rows, and columns. Just see. First of all, I have to go to Excel. Now you can see one data is there of standard 7. Yes, one database of standard 7 is on my desktop. I'm going to open this. Now you can see this data has come. Okay, I'm going to work on these all datas. Okay, on these datas. First, if I have to insert a row, suppose think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you see roll number 14 I have missed. See, it is showing here roll number 13, but 14 I missed. I have to add it, a new row. So what I will do, I will go to this cell. I will be on the row number 15. Okay, and there I will click my right mouse button and use insert. Now what happened just now, you can see, my dear, a blank row has appeared between 13 and 15, between roll number 13 and 15. Now I can use the contact numbers. Okay, now I can give the name Raju, class, whatever I want, that I can add it, my dear. Okay, roll number 14 like this, 34, 56, 67, 90, 89, 97. I'm not going to fill, my dear, but you can understand that how you can insert a row. Now, I forgot to add one subject, and that subject is, yes, that subject is games. Okay, that I left, or PHE I left. So what I will do it, first of all I have to decide where my subject to be added. Wherever you want to add it, just you have to go to the next column. Suppose I want after Sanskrit, PHE should be. So what I will do, I will keep my cursor on which heading? Column M. And there I will click the right mouse button and use insert. What happened? Between Sanskrit and computer, a new column has come. Now I can write here PHE and I can fill the marks of that subject. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, same way you can insert a new cell also like that. It is up to you how you want. Now, next one is how to change the column width and row height. It depends on you whether a single column width has to be changed or multiple one. See, just now you can see my column A, B, C, D like that up to S, you can see it. I want no these columns, column number C, D, E, F, and G. Sorry, my dear. These 5 columns width should be increased. So what I will do, after selecting these all 5 columns, I will go anywhere between the columns. See here. And I will, just now it is showing with what? 95 pixels, that is 8. Now, when I will drag this one, it will have effect on all these 5 columns which I selected. Got it? Same way you can work with your rows also. Suppose I want these rows. Yes, these rows height to be increased. Between any row you can come, but selected one, selected rows. And now just now it is showing 29 pixels. I'm going to increase up to 46. It has been increased. So this way you can do it. Now you have the other way also. Just you click on the home tab, go to the cells. This group you have to go to choose the format one. Now here you can see it is showing a row height. I can do here also. Here it is showing 23. I want 30. Now what happened? It has been increased. So this is the alternate way. Same you can apply for the columns also. Now the next part, that is, yes, auto fit row height. I want, you see my dear, just now let me have columns like this. Now you can see, I want to know whether your column A and B, the datas of column A and B are visible. Yes, it is visible, but not properly. Some of your contents are hidden. You can see contact number, it is hidden, my dear. Aditya, what is Aditya Kumar, Aditya? See, it is not a flashing over here. Like here, you can see Aditya Dhanraj. Just you go in the formula bar, there it is showing Aditya Dhanraj, but here it is showing only Aditya. So if such type of problem exists, you must go for your auto fit column. Okay. Now you can see, I will select all. Now here you have auto fit column with automatically whatever the width required to set your data properly, to make those data visible, as per that it will work. You see, now you can see your contact number and student name both are visible. Understood? Same way you can apply for others also. Clear? It can be for entire one, that means your seat, or it can be for a particular also. It depends on you. Now default. Now hide and unhide. One thing, please keep it in mind. Hide never says that your data is going to be deleted. Only it will not be visible. Understood? But your data there already present, but it is hidden. Now you see, just I'm going to have these 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These roll numbers should be hidden. Roll number not only, its record should be hidden. You see. First of all, I will go to column, and here hide column it is there. What I have to do? Hide rows. What happened? Row number, sorry, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These roll numbers datas have been deleted? No, they are hidden. Now you can again bring it back. Understood? Using unhide option. See, you go to format again. There you have unhide rows. Click on that. It has come. Now you will say, sir, why we are using this? What is the need of that one? Sometime when we want that some of the columns or some of the rows should not be visible. That is not important for me. I'm going to say, see, my dear, whenever you are filling your data, your 7 is not important because you are knowing that these all data of which class? 7. Okay. C doesn't matter for you because C, same section should be used for each and every student. Okay. So these two are not important for you. Even email ID, and date of birth, that is not important for me just now. Only I want my subject marks to be entered. Understood? So at that time, if you will have all your things visible, what will happen? Some of the parts will not be displayed. You have to go to the right side. Understood? Yes, using the scroll bar, you have to go to the right side to see the other data. Just now I'm going to show you. Wait. Suppose this I have increased, this also, this also. Now I want to know your percentage is visible? No. So what I will do, whichever is not important for me, that I can do later on. This one, even contact number, I will fill it later on. Okay. Yes. So you will go to format. Here you will go hide and unhide and hide columns. Now you see your percentage and email ID now visible. Understood? So that is the main part. But actually, never you think that hide and unhide we are using only for deleting or bringing it back. No, never. Only for hiding your data. Now, renaming, I have already explained. Yes, renaming seat. You see, when you will click on rename seat, what will happen? You will see the seat name already selected. Just now you can see it. I'm talking about this seat name. It will already be selected if I do that one. You see, I'm going here now. I'm going here in format, rename seat. Now you see 7C is highlighted. You want no, it should be like this 7 and then C. You can write it. Okay. Now, next one, move or copy. You see, move or copy both are different. Move means that means moving from one place to another place, and copies it means the make a duplicate one. So already this one I have discussed. Tab color you all are knowing. Next one is protection seat. Yes, if you want to protect your seat, that means later on no one can be able to, yes, modify my data, change my data. Then in that case, you must have to protect your seat. I'm going to explain, my dear. I want my entire one. Entire. That means whatever cells are present inside my seat, all must be protected. Now, after selecting this all, I will go to format. Here I have protect seat. At the top, you can see it is asking the password, but whatever the password that you are giving, same password you have to use to unprotect to. Understood? Like I'm giving the password 12345. Wait, let me check. 12345. Yes. And then click on OK. Now it is asking that again confirm your password, that the previous password that you have given, same, it both are matched or not. Now whatever you see, wherever I am going and modifying it, see a message is coming. What the message? The cell. or chart you are trying to change is on a protected seat. To make a change, first of all, you must have to unprotect the seat. So for unprotecting, I need the password. Unauthorized user cannot change your data. So if I have done it, so I will be an authorized person, or I have given right to someone to do it, he also will be an authorized user. So I must have to share my password with my colleagues so that he can also work on the same sheet. So what I will do it, I will go to the format again, and then I will use unprotect it. Now, students, when I will click on unprotect it, it will ask me the password. Suppose I have given 12345. This time I'm giving wrong password. I'm giving 12378 9. Okay, I'm giving wrong password. Just now you see what it is showing. The password you supplied is not correct. Verify that whether you can have the caps lock on, because you have used the small letter. Maybe you have used it is, yes, the computer is suggesting you, my dear. Understood? So again, I will go here, and then this time I will give the correct password 12345. Okay. Now I will be free to modify my data like 57. No, 57, no, 67. It is changed. Okay. Now, students, I will discuss the last part, how to format data in a worksheet. But please keep it in mind these all points. What are these points that you have to remember? If you see has, that means if you see 7 times has like this one, it shows what? That your column width is what? Not more. I will show you. Wait. Now, wait. Now you can see what I have done. Yes, on this column, date of birth, I have reduced the size. When I reduce, it is showing hashes. It shows that lack of space. You don't think that this is an error. No, it is showing lack of space. So I must expand to get it. Okay. Now, you have to know other things. 1 point, if it is showing in your Excel, this is 1 by 72. Okay. Now, F11, when you are using the function key, then you are going to work on a chart. Okay. And now, when you are using Shift plus F11 function key, it is going to insert a new sheet. This you have to keep it in mind. I will show you 11 and Shift 11. Just now you can see. I'm going to work on F11. What has come, my dear? Chart has come. You can see on the sheet tab, chart it is showing. But if I will use Shift plus F11, yes, a new sheet will come. Just now, let me remove this. Let me remove this chart. Wait. Wait, my dear. Let me check. Wait. Yes. Okay. Now, you see, you have got a chart. This is a chart of which one? Of your data of standard 7. Now, when I will use the same function key with the shift key, then what will happen? Just I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this chart. Okay, deleted. Now my data has come. Now I'm going to use shift plus F11. See, just now you can see at the bottom, at the left side, you have got seat 1. This is a new seat. Earlier you were having only one seat, and that seat was renamed and given the name as 7C. But just now you can see I use the shift and 11. This shift and 11 function key together, I got a new seat. So this type of question can come, that which shortcut key is used to create a new seat, or which shortcut key is used to create a new chart. Then you have to write chart, then F11, and if a new seat, then shift plus F11. Now I'm going to work on formatting data. Now you can see, my dear, my data is here. Yes. Now formatting cells. So before formatting cells, you must have to select your range of cells. Like, let me first have auto fit. Okay. Now I have selected. Now you come to format cells. You see, many parts are there in this one. You have number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. Just now I want to work on number. Okay. Now you have a general. See, students, I have selected all, but I want to work on only numbers. These numbers. Okay. Select it. Go to format cells. Here you have the number. Now you want up to how many decimal places your number should be that you can have. Now you can see your data has been formatted. You have other parts also, like you have the currency what you want, rupees. Yes, this to be added. It has come. So it is up to you what you want to do it. Okay. Now, next part that you have is alignment. Now you have done alignment in two ways, either horizontal and vertical. Have you done alignment in any degree? No. I'm going to explain you. I want my alignment in this way, 45 degree. Okay. Now all my data should be in 45 degree. You can see. Now again hash is coming, that is lack of space. Wait. Now actually my data has been formatted. That's why it is not showing. It is showing has. That is not a big issue. I'm going to work on this one. Email. It will show it because numbers have been formatted in different ways. Now you can see. Just wait. Let me. Now you see. Every one cell of this column has been aligned in 45 degree. Okay. Now the next part, that you have font. It is easier for you. Yes, how to set your style, how to make it, yes, a bold, italics, underline, how to increase the size, how to change the color. This all you can do here. Okay. Next part is border. This is a very important. Why? When you are going to print this one, I'm going to have first. Now you can see, when I'm going to click on print one, you are having your data, but is your data, yes, readable nicely when it is printed? No, because instead of first column you can go, instead of first row you can go to second row. Understood? I want some direction, I want some lining over there, I want the borders. so that within border my finger can go and I can understand, oh, this is my roll number 1 data, roll number 2. So in that case, you must go for the border. By default, there is no border, but you want to go it, then you can go for border. Just now see, I'm going to first cancel these all works. Okay, now I'm going to select all. Now format cells, and then I'm going to have the border. Now border which way? I want interior and exterior border all. That means this is the exterior one and interior one means what? This one. And when I will click on OK, you will be getting the border to each and every cell. I will show you. File, bring. Now it has come. Now you properly you can see it. Oh, this is roll number 1 data, roll number 2 data. So you can provide your borders. Okay. Now the next part you have is fill. Now what the color you want fill, that you can fill it. Okay, that you can fill it is up to you. So I hope protection already I have discussed. So if you have any problem, my dear, you can ask, my dear. But I hope whatever the topic that I have discussed that you have understood, my dear. Okay, thank you, my dear.